Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to BCN Top News. Dear viewers, I am Tasnubha Mejabin, will be with you all the time. A further 22 people have died of the coronavirus epidemic across the country. The death toll has risen to 5,057. In addition, 1,536 people have been newly infected with the coronavirus in the last 24 hours. With this, a total of 3,61,265 people were identified in Bangladesh. Chief Election Commissioner K.M. Nurul Huda has said that legal actions will be taken against Faridpur 4 MP Mujibur Rahman Chaudhary Nixon for allegedly threatening the Deputy Commissioner and insulting the election officials. He made the remarks in response to a question from the reporters at the Election Commission building in the capital Dhaka's Agargaon on Tuesday, October 13th at noon. BNP's senior Joint Secretary General Ruhul Kabir Ahmed Rizvi has suddenly fallen ill. He suddenly fell ill after a ceremony in front of the National Press Club on Tuesday, October 13th at noon. Later, when he felt chest pain, he was rushed to Islami Bank Hospital in Kakrail, Dhaka. Popular Bangladeshi actress Nusrat Imroz Tisha has been reportedly threatened with death. The threat was reported from several anonymous Facebook accounts. Not only Tisha but also the producer, storyteller and the other actors of the play have been threatened with death, claimed Mr. Shoaib Chaudhary, the storyteller and the head of Crown Entertainment. The court has sentenced 4 people, including Gholam Mustafa alias Mithu, a former manager of Prime Bank Bangladesh's Adabur Ring Road branch, to different terms of imprisonment for embezzling money. Judge Sheikh Hafizur Rahman of Dhaka Special Judge Court 9 pronounced the verdict on Tuesday, October 13th. Police have arrested a 25-year-old man named Mofizul Islam for allegedly raping an 8th class schoolgirl in Satkhira. He was arrested from Mahatpur village in Kaligaj Upazila of the district on a Monday evening. Mofizul is the son of Mina Molla of Mahatpur village in Kaligaj Upazila. A man named Noor Alam was killed in a clash between two sides over private land in Dirai Upazila of Sunamganj district. At least 20 people were injured in the clash. The clash took place at Madhurapur village in Bhatiapara Union on Tuesday, October 13th morning. The deceased was identified as the son of Abdul Latif of Kamarpur village in Bhatiapara. US President Donald Trump has claimed that Iran has gone bankrupt due to sanctions against the country. He made the remarks in an interview with the regular US radio show Rush Limbaugh. Claiming to turn Iran into a failed state, Trump said he would be able to sign an extraordinary deal with Iran if he wins next month's election. Director Naeem Imtiaz Niamul is making a film called Gangchil. Popular hero Firdaus and heroine Purnima are acting together in it. The shooting of the movie is almost over. After shooting in cold water, almost everyone fell ill and the shooting was stopped. After a long 7 months, the shooting of the movie is going to start again. Tamim Iqbal 11 is batting in Mirpur Shere-Bangla Stadium in the second match of BCB President's Cup. At the end of 4 overs, Tamim 11 scored 15 runs. Tanjid Hassan Tamim is batting for 5 and Enamul Haq is batting for 6 runs. Captain Tamim returned to the dressing room after 2 runs. Dear viewers, you are listening to BCN Top News. For more details, visit www.bcnchannel.net. Stay tuned to BCN channel to get daily updates.